All right, so we got one of these new bladeless ceiling fans. They're not really bladeless, but what they mean by that is the blades are on the inside of the light. It's 16 inches in diameter, so it is very small. We just hooked it up. Like, the installation is like super easy. Obviously, if you wire white to white and black to black, like I messed up on accident, but luckily I just hooked it into a blank spot on the connector, so nothing went wrong. But these are super cool. Like, the lighting looks like it's gonna be great in the room that we're doing it in. So I would definitely suggest it. I will put a link in the description for this exact one on Amazon. It was a really good deal. So also I forgot to put on there that it's got a remote control. So this nerd over here is controlling it, and you can dim the light, you can soften it, brighten it, make it brighter. So it's really cool, all the different features and functions that this remote control can do with the light. So I like it a lot. I think it's gonna be really cool. Probably gonna get one in every single room. All right, so here's what we have. It's got this remote right here. So it's got a few different buttons and stuff like that. I'm gonna kind of go through what it does. So obviously there's the on and off. That was off. It's got the on button, turns everything on where you left it off. It's got the different rotation types up here in the top. It's kind of hard to see, top two buttons. So if it's hot weather, cold weather, if you want the air to come up or come down. It's got different light adjustments. So I'm gonna go all the way up to the brightest. That's the very brightest, and I don't want to show too much of this room right now, but you can see that's pretty bright. That's pretty really well, and the light is better too. Like the lighting, like as far as not being an offensive like light to your eyes, like yellow or whatever, it's pretty good. So that's all the way light. I'm turning it all the way dark now, or as light as it can go. So that's as light as it can go, which is still really, I like that as well. So it's definitely different. I like that. So let's go back and adjust with the fan stuff. All right, so that was light. Oh, and you can change, like, I guess the like if you want it soft light or like standard light, daytime, all that kind of stuff. So that's pretty cool. Let's see. All this is lights. Madison has all this figured out. That did something. I think that turns the fan off. Oh, and then it's got different power settings as far as the fan, 1 through 6. So 6 turned all the way up. 6 feels really, really good. You can hear a little bit of noise. Not terrible, but like 6 is like amazing. Like if you're hot, you stand underneath it, that's really good. 2's pretty good. 3's pretty good just to leave it on, and it cools just fine. You can't hear anything. So I like that. And then as far as, you can turn the fan off and just leave the light on like that. I turned off the fan part. Or you can turn the fan on. So I just turned it on right there, and I'm pretty sure you can turn just turn the light off just like that. So it all works independently. So pretty cool.